so much for joining me today for another video. So today I'm gonna bring you a haul video. I haven't done one in a while. Like, I don't remember the last time I did one. Today's gonna be like a mini drugstore, kind of like products on sale kind of video. So if you're interested in seeing what I got from like Target and a couple items from Amazon, then just keep on watching. By the way, for those of you that are new, I'm so glad you found me somehow. I am hopeful that we will become really good friends. My name is Jane, also known as Breath of Beauty, and I am so glad that you are here. All right, let's get right to it. Mentioned, this is gonna be like a mini haul video, so it's not gonna be like a whole ton of stuff that I bought, but I did take a trip to Target and I did buy a couple of items also from Amazon, and they all accumulated into this one little stash that I can definitely show you guys through a haul video. So here is a bag from Target. I mean, I love Target. It's probably my favorite store. Like, if I'm really stressed, which is probably not a good habit, but if I just need to do something or just have some alone time or just spend like time walking around, then my favorite place to do that is at Target, because Target's just a lot of fun. It just has various things. It keeps me very interested. But in any case, I was walking through the makeup aisle just like couple of weeks ago, and I noticed that there were a lot of items on sale, and you just need to pay attention to see which items are on sale, because I don't know about your Target, but my Target in particular has the sale items like in one like end cap area, and it also has sale items just like right incorporated right into the makeup aisles. So like certain items will have like a yellow clearance tag on it saying that they're on sale, so you just need to pay close attention to see like what kind of items are on sale. So why don't we just go ahead and go through what I got. One of the things that I'm really excited about is this little brush set right here, and you see this yellow clearance tag that I was talking about? Yeah, this was right in the Sonia Kashuk area. This is a 4-piece brush set. It's for the eyes, so they're all like eye brushes. And this was originally $15 and I got it for $10.50. So that's a pretty good deal. Plus, I don't know why, but I'm kind of obsessed with eye brushes. Like, I'm always on the lookout for eye brushes that would work like better for my eyes, because I have like, you know, smaller lid space and all. So I saw this and I was like, oh, I love these like fluffy blending brushes. Ooh, yes, these are my favorite. So I am so excited to try this out. I'll let you guys know if I like it or not. Usually Sonia Kashuk is pretty solid in their brush quality, so I'm very excited about this. They also had like a huge brush set that was like $30. This is including face and eyes and lips, like all sorts of different brushes, and it was originally $30 and it was on sale for like $15, so that's half off. So that's a really good deal. So you just gotta pay attention, you know, to see where all the good sales are. The next on sale item that I got is this Soap and Glory. I think it's called the Pouty Girl. That's all it says. It's the Pouty Girl. So in here you get 2 gloss sticks and 1 matte lipstick. So I think this is originally $7.99 and I got it for $3.98. So I was like, heck yeah, I like Soap and Glory products usually. Like, I have I think a couple of their gloss sticks and also a matte lipstick, and I think it's just like kind of quick and easy, nothing too fussy, you know, you don't have to really worry about it too much. So I figured since it's kind of like half off, I was like, I'm gonna get that, you know. I'm just gonna open this because it's just so adorable. Oh yeah, that's pretty. This would be really pretty for the summer. Yeah, and it has like really good pigment. It's creamy. It doesn't look like it's gonna dry your lips out at all. So I feel like I love this kind of berry fuchsia color for definitely the summertime. It's very appropriate. This is a gloss stick, so it's glossy. And then this one is the matte, and it looks more like, ooh, it's so creamy. Very, very soft. And it's like a purpley pink color. Really pretty. I like this color a lot too. It's this kind of berry color that you can't really go wrong with, so I like that one. This is a coral gloss stick, also really nice for the summer. Oh yeah, this is like a lot more sheer and a lot more glossy looking than this initial one that I swatched, which was a little more fuchsia, but I think this is really pretty too. Like, it can be a really easy kind of gloss, you know, just something light, not too fussy. Let me wipe this off before I get it all over the place. So the next few items I got are these new products from Revlon. I think they're new because it was in the new section and these weren't on sale. They are called the Revlon Kiss Cushion Lip Tint. So these are lip tints and I got two, one in the shade Pretty Kiss and the other is in the shade Pink IRL. Two pretty basic shades that I would normally go for. And why don't we just open this up because I'm just so curious about what these look like. If these are tints, they'd be really nice for the summer as well, for just those hot days when you want to look a little put together but not wear too much makeup. I personally like tints for those kinds of days. So if this would open for me, that'd be really great. If you open it up, oh, it just looks kind of like, you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of those Lancome Juicy shakers with this little soft, like felty, is it felty? Just like this soft fuzzy applicator that's pointed. It's even kind of shaped like the Lancome Juicy shakers, isn't it? Just really elongated. I don't know if you're supposed to shake it. Oh, I guess so you twist up to get the color. I'm not seeing anything yet. Come on. Ooh, I'm seeing something. Ooh, this is so pretty. Slightly mauvey, but more pinkier nude. Looks much darker on the applicator, but this is so pretty. It's like really creamy. It doesn't really feel like those like typical stains. Stains like typically feel really dry and liquidy, almost like water-like, but this is like a creamy kind of stain. So I'm really excited to try this out. I'll definitely do like a swatch video plus like a review video sharing with you guys what I think about these products. I'll be really curious to try. Let's just swatch this one because I'm really curious. And this is kind of fun. Ooh, this is pretty too. This is definitely really pink though. Oh my god. Oh, and there's a lot of product that came out. I suggest you kind of slow down on this whole cranking thing because there's a delayed reaction on these. I think in this sense, it's really different from those Lancome Juicy shakers because the Lancome Juicy shakers are more watery, I would say, than this. This is like really creamy, which is so surprising to me. I really like this one though. Alright, so the next item I got is also from Revlon. It's a lip product and this was on sale. I bought it for $3.98 when it was originally $7.99. And why don't we open this one and swatch it too? It's like a mini drugstore haul slash swatch video. Kind of fun, huh? Alright, so here it is. This is not anything new. It's been out for quite a while actually now, but it's the Revlon, if I can read this, Ultra HD Gel Lip Color, and I got it in the shade HD Coral. I thought this would be really nice for the summer as well. Let's just swatch it right here. This is kind of like a glossy sort of finish too. It really reminds me of the gloss stick that I just was using from Soap and Glory. You know, something not too fussy but has good amount of pigment, a nice bit of shine, and something that will be just quick and easy to put on your lips if you want to look a little more polished just running out the door. Alright, we're getting down to our last couple items, and this is the last item that I bought from Target. This was not on sale, but it's the Sonia Kashuk Essential Collection Blending Crease Brush. And did I mention to you guys that I'm obsessed with fluffy blending brushes for the eyes? Like, something about it, like, I can never have enough blending crease brushes. I don't know why. I'm not able to fully get this packaging off right now, or maybe I can. Oh, I did it, yes. So why don't I just This is kind of strange. But this is what the brush looks like. I really love fluffy, smaller crease brushes. So this is perfect for my eye. Like, it fits right here. Okay, so the last couple of items I got from Amazon because I found that through Amazon I was able to get it sooner and cheaper than like Ulta or Walgreens, and Target was, I don't know if Target had this available, but I think I bought it for cheaper than it was sold at Target. It's the chocolate, what are they called? Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick, and it's the chocolate collection. I have 2 out of maybe like 5 or 6 shades, just because some of the shades I just don't think I would wear, like really dark chocolate lipstick shades, and plus I already have some from ColourPop, and some of the shades I just didn't think would look good at all. And the one shade I wanted, which was like a pinkier shade, I guess both of these kind of look pink on the screen, but they're not quite that pink. They're more so brown. One of the other shades that I really wanted was like more pink, and I really wanted that one, but that was sold out. I don't know, I just saw the review by Tati on these products, and she was like raving about these, so I was like, oh, maybe they're worth giving a try. But this is like super mauvey chocolatey color. Not sure if I would pull it off any other season other than the fall. And then here's another shade right here. This one I'm not too sure about. It's kind of like a beigey, light chocolatey kind of color. You gotta be having the right kind of mood and outfit to pull these off, I think, for me at least. This is probably not as wearable as a lot of the lipsticks that I have, but for other skin tones it might be like an everyday shade. So I don't know. I will need to think about these ones a little bit before I go ahead and just put them on without thought. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for my mini drugstore haul. I am really excited to try some of these new products out and just share with you guys what I think of some of these products. Let me know which products in particular you are interested in hearing my thoughts on, and I would keep that in mind as I go ahead and try to like figure out which products I should be paying extra attention to for review videos. I really do enjoy doing haul videos, but I don't do them very often because that entails just buying a whole bunch of stuff. But yeah, I am excited on doing a Hush haul video and try on, of course, and just kind of reviewing Hush products overall, because I'm really curious about Hush products because they're such low price points. I mean, they're kind of copycat products, but at the same time, I'm not the one to spend like $65 on one palette. I feel like my limit is probably like $50. Like, I will pay $50 for a palette, but I will not go above that because, I don't know, it just kind of gets to be a little ridiculous at that point. So I am interested in trying some of the Hush products that are kind of copycats of like palettes that are $65 and plus, you know? So let me know if you guys are interested in seeing that from me as well. Alright, with that said, thank you so much, you guys, for watching me and supporting me and for your constant kind words and encouragement. I really do appreciate it, you guys, and I am just so grateful to have you in my beauty fam, and I feel so lucky to be friends with you. Now with that said, I'll hopefully see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah!